Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage auto off mode for your speaker Anker Soundcore 3. You have to start by open Soundcore application. Now click the settings icon at the right top on the application. After that, go to auto power off. And we can lower this time or increase this time. I prefer 60 minutes, so I click on it. And we haven't turned off this mode, so 60 minutes it's a maximum. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.